As we begin 2024, the speed of technology trends in our industry has never been this fast, yet will never be this slow. Read our Outlook study where we explain how shops and vehicles are becoming more connected than ever before with the power of in-shop and remote diagnostics. We also present our findings on demand for natural gas and other alternative powertrain systems and discuss the national impact of CARB's Clean Truck Check Act. Download a free copy of our 2024 Outlook study from our website at Noregon.com to learn about upcoming technology trends, plus market trends and economic outlook.